another Alton Towers vlog. We haven't been for about a year now. I think we went last August. We're very excited to go again. It's like our magical place. It's the place we got engaged. It's one of my favourite places on earth. I just love Alton Towers. And last time we went with my parents, and this time we're going with Matt's parents. But they travelled up Sunday night and spent today in the park. We're travelling up today, which is Monday. We're both spending tomorrow in the park, which is Tuesday, and then they're going home, and then we're just having Wednesday in the park by ourselves. We weren't able to travel together due to work stuff, so that's why we've gone separately, but at least we'll have one day together in the park. So we're driving up pretty late because Matt has been working all day, so it is going to get dark pretty soon, so I'm not going to make this too long. So we're staying up in a hotel tonight, the same hotel we always stay in, and then we'll see you in the morning for our Alton Towers vlog. Good morning. So it's day one. We're on our way to Alton Towers. It is 8:15 and the sat nav says about half an hour to get there, so we'll be a little bit early. The monorail opens at 9, so we're hoping to get there and get straight on the monorail. My plan is to go straight to Wicker Man. We're creatures of habit, we always go straight to Wicker Man. However, yesterday Wicker Man didn't open till about 12, so we'll judge it now when we get to the park for ourselves. But yeah, the plan is Wicker Man. I think Matt's parents are going to get a coffee while we're queuing, because obviously the ride doesn't open till 10 AM, but you're allowed in the park from 9 AM, so we're going to get there early, sort ourselves out and start queuing. And then after Wicker Man, I think we're just going to work our way around the park, you know, doing maybe Sea Life, Dual, then up to Nemesis, Galactica, and just go around that way. That's our usual plan. The weather's looking okay. It's dry, just cloudy, it's not much sun, but there could be a small chance of rain, so we do have coats with us. So yeah, we'll see you there. Okay, so we're in the park. We're heading straight to Wicker Man. We're pretty early, it's only 9:05, but we're gonna head straight there. Are we all excited? Yes! Woo! Woo! Let's go! Right, so we just did Wicker Man. We had some mixed reviews on it. So we've done Wicker Man, Funk and Fly twice, the Blade, Galactica and Nemesis. We were just about to get on the Sky Ride to go to the Dark Forest to do Rita and 13, but it's stopped working, the Sky Ride, so we're walking through the gardens.
So yeah, we're just walking through the gardens on our way to the Dark Forest to ride Rita and 13. And it's quite cool, we've got some random birds around here and some wildlife down in the gardens. We don't normally explore the gardens much because we always take the Sky Ride, but they are shut at the moment. So yeah, we'll catch them a little bit later on. So for now, we're going to head over to some big rides.
Right, so we just had some lunch in this chicken place. It's very nice. And Gangster Granny, the David Williams ride, has been shut all morning, and I just checked on the app and it just opened up. So that's where we're heading now. Let's go. So this is the new David Williams area. Look how nice that is. Right, now we're on our way to Duel, which is the one where you got to shoot the lasers. So we'll see who wins this one competition. We'll see. We've got these two as well. They might be better than us. So we'll see. And Duel has been shut most of the day, so it's opened up just recently. So we're hoping it's a quick queue and get straight on. Right, sorry guys, we haven't done a lot of vlogging, but we've been really busy today. We've done a lot. So we're coming towards the end of the day. We've done all of the big rides except for Oblivion, which we are heading to now. And then I think we might do the Smiler, and then I think we'll call it a day then. So yeah, Oblivion's the next one on the list. So let's go. Okay, so that's day one complete. We are now on our way back to our hotel. Matt's parents left earlier in the day, so at the end of the day we were just trying to do some of the big rides, like the Smiler, Oblivion, by ourselves. So we left the park at 7, so that's when it closed. So now we're going to go back to our hotel, grab some food and rest and recharge, ready for tomorrow. But we won't stay as late tomorrow because we're traveling back tomorrow. So it's been a really good day. Have you enjoyed it, Matt? It's been really fun. Not as busy as I thought, but still very busy. But yeah, we'll see you in day 2. Okay, so it's day 2. We have rested and recharged. I'm still shattered. Are you, Matt? I'm so tired. We had a really busy day yesterday. We got loads done. So I'm not sure what the plan is today. Probably start with Wickerman again and work our way round. Hopefully the park will be quieter again today because it's the 1st of September. So I'm hoping that some of the children have gone back to school in England. And today we're going to have lunch in the pizza and pasta buffet place, which is by the Runaway Mine Train. So we do that today. So yeah, come and join us in day 2. Okay, so we're in. Guess where we're going first? I bet you can't guess. Where are we going, Matt?
Wickerman?
Okay, so there's a treat. We have the sky ride all to ourselves. No one else on here. What a tree. Ooh, bit bumpy. So we've done Pokemon, Nemesis, Fountain Fly, Galactica, the Blade, and this. That's what we've done so far. And now we're heading over to the Dark Forest to do 13, Rita, and that's it down there. And then we'll go around the towers and work our way around that way. It seems a lot quieter today than yesterday, so that's good. We're getting a lot more done already. So yeah, let's just enjoy the nice views on the skyride. Okay, so it's around about lunchtime and we're going to the pizza and pasta buffet place in Katanga Canyon. So we just got the sky ride over. We just did 13 and Rita, and we got the sky ride back to the Forbidden Valley, and now we walk into the pizza place. So we'll see you there.
Ready to go, Kat?
Smiler!
Let's do it! Fresh donuts. Is it nice, Matt? Mm-hmm. They're so yummy. Okay, so now we're calling it a day. We did everything we wanted to do. It's 6 o'clock nearly, so we are leaving a little bit earlier than yesterday, but we intended on leaving earlier, but we had a few issues with one of the rides, so we had to wait for it to come back on again. So yeah, we're heading out the park now, but it's been really good, isn't it, Matt? Yes.
We've had lots of fun, so yeah. Right, so that's day 2 complete. We're on our way now back home in the car. We're going to stop off for some food first, but yeah, we're making our way home. Did you have a nice time, Matt?
I did. I can't wait for food now.
Yeah, we had a really nice time. It was a really fun day out. Very busy, but still a really good day out. The weather was nice most of the time. Rained now and then, but not very often.
But it rained on one time, didn't it? On the ride that you don't want it to rain on. And it was also the one time we sat in the very front.
Yeah.
And it hurt.
Rita, yeah, that's the one you go from 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds. and the rain really hurt your face. We couldn't even open our eyes, could we?
No.
But it literally stopped as soon as we got off, didn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, but the rest of the time it's been dry, so it's been really nice. I would say though, we probably won't go in August again next time, because this is just so busy in August. Even though it's the 1st of September, you'd think like a lot of kids are back in school, it's still really busy. So hopefully next time we'll go quieter time of year. But yeah, so we had a really good time. So thanks so much for watching this vlog. Make sure you subscribe down below so you can see more videos like this and more videos on my channel. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.